Hey, welcome back, guys. Today's video is just an introduction to some products I received from Craftspire. The theme is create and inspire your mind to enjoy life. Now I actually went to their website and selected these products. I selected this stamp head. It's a 3D wax seal stamp head, and I know I'm going to need wax in order to be able to use that stamp effectively. And this is a pack of 20 universe theme washi tape set, and I'm just opening that. Let me open it and show you what's on the inside. I will leave a link to the company's website in my description box, as well as links for all the products that you see me reviewing in the video today. Now here we have 20 rolls of washi tape in 3 different sizes. Each roll is about 6.56 feet or 2 millimeters long, and we have the black, the gold, the gray. There are 3 different sizes, so we have 4 rolls of 0.31 inch, 12 rolls of 0.59 inches, and again 4 rolls of 1.18 inches. Now here we have some pens. These are gold and silver metallic pens, and these are what you use to do your lettering or metallic markers. They're smooth writing, quick drying, and they won't smear or bleed on your project. And there's medium tip, and the ink flows very well. No, I thought that I would just test it out here, so I just rub some on the stamp and try to see how bright that comes out, and then I try to write with the marker, and it looks pretty good. Now these are vintage washi tape as well, and these are the largest size. This is 99 millimeters. These are vintage antique theme. Let me just open this one and show you what it looks like. So I think that using it on your DIYs, the adhesive on the back of this will hold up pretty good. I will be making a video coming up shortly with one of these. So there you have it, guys. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned to see how I will be using these in future videos coming. Remember to check out the description box for the links to these products, as well as the link to the website for Craftspire and my coupon code to receive $5 off your purchases of $40.